Natural hazards. Drum roll, please. Avalanche heat wave, strong wind, coastal flooding, hurricane tornado, cold wave, ice storm, tsunami drought, landslide, volcanic activity, earthquake, lightning wildfire, hail, riverine, flooding, winter, weather. Wow. Nature's got more attack styles than a video game boss. Categories. Because humans love to put things in boxes. Natural hazards fall into these groups: geophysical, hydrological, meteorological, climatological. And inside those boxes, we get all the classics like earthquakes, flooding, heat waves, drought, volcanic activity, landslides, cold waves, wildfire, tsunamis, hurricanes, avalanche, hails, winter storms, lightning, winds, and tornadoes. Basically, the whole nature's greatest